Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best travel strollers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the travel strollers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best travel strollers on the market right now. Coming at number 7, we've got the Juvie Cooper RS Travel Stroller. In addition to its all-terrain wheels and easy maneuverability, a major perk of Juvie's Cooper Travel Stroller is its washable fabric. The fabric is removable and machine washable, so you don't have to spot clean every time your kid drops food, which, if your child is anything like mine, is constant. A 3-panel water-repellent canopy provides excellent sun coverage, but it's the 4th hidden panel that's really noteworthy, which I discovered when testing the stroller with a kiddo who really was not happy with the sun in his eyes. That panel provides UPF 50+ coverage almost all the way to the snack tray. Although the seat doesn't recline entirely, you can lower it using only one hand, which is huge. Snack time doesn't have to end when it's stroller time, as the stroller features a swing-open snack tray and cup holder. There's also a mesh cup holder and a zippered pocket built into the back of the stroller for grown-ups, and a good-sized storage basket on the bottom can hold up to 15 pounds. If you're giving this as a gift, the Cooper accommodates a 3-month-old to a child up to 55 pounds, but you can also purchase the Cooper car seat adapter separately to use an infant car seat. Number 6. Thule Spring Compact Stroller. The Thule Spring has the bells and whistles of a full-size stroller, but in a compact frame. To be exact, it's 30% smaller than traditional 3-wheel strollers. Its smaller size and only 3 wheels take up less trunk space, and it can fit through narrow doorways. This would be a great gift for someone going to Disney, as it's approved for Disney theme parks. It's also parent-approved for Disney parks, as the seat can fully recline, allowing your kid to take a full-blown nap so you can stay at Disney longer with a child who has actually rested. More sleep equals fewer meltdowns, right? One can dream. The luxury stroller is impressively well built and handles like a pro. It can be pushed with one hand without it veering to one side, so it's a smooth ride for your kiddo and you while pushing. An adjustable handlebar makes the Spring a fantastic choice for tall parents, and there's plenty of storage space for holding all your things. Compared to the other travel strollers on this list, this one is on the heavier side, but it's still very manageable and comfortable to travel with. The stroller doesn't have a foot bar, so while testing it, I found that it was challenging to lift the stroller over bumps in the road since there was nowhere to apply pressure at the back. Coming in at number 5, Doona Infant Car Seat. I missed the boat on the Doona with my kids, but I've heard nothing but rave reviews from friends about how game-changing it is, so I had to try it out for myself to see what all the hullabaloo is about. And by try it out for myself, I mean accompanied a friend on several excursions with her infant and the stroller. However, several members of our team also have this stroller and say that they can't live without its convenience. It's genuinely a day changer, getting baby around everywhere with no fuss. Different than the other strollers on this list, the Doona is a car seat with collapsible wheels and a telescoping handle that allows it to turn into a compact stroller. While it doesn't have a one-hand fold, it is functional and beyond efficient, and it provides a cozy and secure place for babies to ride. The car seat alone weighs 16.5 pounds, and with the 10.3-pound base, the whole stroller clocks in at 28.8 pounds. That may sound like a lot, but it's very reasonable considering car seats can be super heavy. It's also a really safe rear-facing infant car seat option with an anti-rebound bar and 3-layer side impact protection. An adjustable handle allows you to customize the stroller to your height, and it also makes it easy for siblings to push. Coming at number 4, Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2 Stroller. At just 13.6 pounds, it's probably safe to assume that your diaper bag has been heavier than this insanely lightweight and compact stroller. Baby Zen's Yo-Yo 2 stroller is the ultimate stroller to use when traveling by plane, as it can fold and unfold with one hand, be carried over your shoulder, and fit in an overhead bin with room to spare. It doesn't hurt that it's totally a luxury stroller but for on the go. The stroller isn't just convenient to travel with, it also grows with your child, making it convenient for life. It's designed for newborns through toddlers and beyond, up to 48.5 pounds, with a comfy seat cushion, reclining backrest, and a secure 5-point harness. The newborn seat costs extra and comes with a mattress, head support, and a removable Sherpa-lined foot cover. In addition to the newborn pack, there are several other accessories you can add on, including a cup holder, backpack, parasol, a board for big kids to ride on, and even a mosquito net. Our test team has been using this stroller for several years, and they have loved the long life of the stroller, the ease of use, and softness of the fabric. Number 3. Contours Itsy Ultra Sturdy Compact Stroller. Whether you're on the go in the city, wandering around Target for far too many hours, or hopping on a plane, the Contours Itsy Ultra Sturdy Compact Stroller fits any type of lifestyle and works great as a regular stroller. It's lightweight, with a one-hand fold feature that fully collapses for storage in seconds. A removable napper handlebar makes it easy to get your little one in and out of the seat. Front wheel suspension with locking wheels gives you better control on bumpy terrain. A one-step parking brake is easy to maneuver, and a UPF 50+ canopy offers some shade, although not a ton. If you plan on using this stroller on flights, you'll be happy to know that it fits in an overhead bin, which saves you the trouble of tagging it to go below the plane, not to mention the risk of damage. Coming at number 2, Chico Presto Self-Folding Compact Stroller. Chico's Presto Travel Stroller is my pick for the best budget stroller, but it doesn't give budget vibes. It's not quite on par with a luxury stroller, however, but if that's not what you're after, this one is a fantastic option. Plus, that gifting price point? Yes, please. With this stroller, you'll never have to be without coffee, as there are 2 cup holders, one for you and one for your child. There's also a 3-position reclining seat that can be adjusted with one hand, which truly is a game changer when you have a tired kiddo and sleep needs to happen immediately. While the canopy is UPF 50+, after testing this stroller, I wish it covered more square footage to offer more sun protection. But a small canopy is better than no canopy. I find the one-hand fold to be incredibly easy to use, and once the stroller is folded, which it basically does on its own, a carry bar makes it convenient to grab and be on your way. If you're giving the Presto as a gift to a new parent, it can be used from infancy through 50 pounds, so they'll appreciate the long-term capabilities. Plus, it has a secure click-in attachment for any Chico infant car seat. While you do have to buy the car seat separately, adapters are built in, so there really aren't any accessories you need to purchase. Number 1. UPA-Baby Minu V2 Travel Stroller. The UPA-Baby Minu is a travel-friendly stroller that feels like a full-size stroller, but it's significantly smaller and lighter than its relatives, the UPA-Baby Vista and Cruise. When folded, it takes up little room and comes with a built-in carry handle, as well as a shoulder strap, so you can throw it over your shoulder on one side while carrying your baby. If you want your kiddo to be able to nap in the stroller, an adjustable recline and leg rest make it possible. A large storage basket is the perfect size for bringing along a blanket, diaper bag, snacks, or whatever else you might need on a trip. The stroller is designed for babies and kids ages 6 months and up, but if you want to use it for your infant, you can purchase the Uppa Baby Mesa V2 infant car seat, which can be directly attached. While there's a lot to love about the Minu, the only drawback is that its wheels are plastic. Wheels that are filled with air tend to make for a smoother ride. The Minu does, however, feature front and rear spring-action suspension, which helps. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best travel strollers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.